Hey, hope you're having a great Christmas. Merry Christmas to you and your family and your loved ones. Hope you're taking care of yourself this year, making sure you have a plan for 2021. Make the best year, to come for you and your loved ones by investing in yourself, educating yourself financially, and also making sure that that all your financial education is being compound 24/7. So ensure that you have the right people around you. Build a team of great people. You want to live on the beaches of the world and make money while you sleep, then I suggest you to, hit the link below, check what we offer, check the opportunities we have for you, join our membership site. So many great things for you to take advantage of and leverage yourself to the next level. So ensure that you are making other people around you proud by being great today, tomorrow, and for the future. And the only way to do that is that if we have a plan of priorities every single day and we tackle them day in and day out, ensuring that all those tasks are accomplished and that we're moving upwards. Okay, it's important that we take a look at what we're doing on a daily basis. Otherwise, time goes, procrastination kicks in, and we really miss out on the biggest opportunities because we're not prepared. And I always say this, I'll leave you with this: it's better to be prepared for an opportunity that never shows up than it is not to be prepared and have the opportunity show up. So ensure that you're hanging around with the right people, and I call those people OQP, only quality people. All right? If you're ready to start making money right now, head to www.masterinvestor.life, join our team, follow the 8 steps we have on our back office, and get set up with your digital franchise. You can sell any type of product. We can show you how to sell products online, and we have a team in place that will hold you by the hand. Also, if you have a company, if you have a product that you want to sell, you want to learn about landing pages, capture pages, a little more advanced tool, then go to www.masterinvestor.email and check out the tool. We offer 1 month for free. It's an amazing marketing suite tool that will help any business get to the next level, okay? On autopilot sales by having capture pages and clever campaigns out for the customers and the potential clients that are interested in the product that we are offering. All right, hope you're having a great Christmas. I just want to jump on this video and show you that it's possible to live on the beaches of the world and not having to go to a job 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. You can actually have a digital franchise selling products worldwide while you're asleep, and you don't even never have to touch the product, okay? Total freedom, and that's what we teach here, the raw financial freedom, okay? Master Investor is all about money. It's all about learning how to create assets, how to acquire assets, digital, offline, how to use debt to make more money, and leverage OPM, other people's money, legally, and use taxes to our advantage, because the tax code is literally a package of incentive for entrepreneurs and investors. But we have to have the right team in place, and we have that for you. So hit the link below, subscribe. If you like this video, leave your comment, and I wish you a Merry Christmas to you and your family. All right, much love. See you on the next video.